Akiaria mucemanio-ini wa hinahi murugamiriri wa githomo mwena wa Thika ya ithũĩro Tom Njere augite mubango ucio gukuruhania aria othe mekire kigeranio gia KCPE mwaka muhituku mwena ucio na aria magite mieke ya kuingira form 1.
One of the issues rather that has been of concern is the minimum score a student is supposed to obtain before they transit to secondary school. That has been clarified by the DO that the minimum requirement is just somebody to have sat for that exam.
Hamwe noguo munini wa murugamiriri wa githomo mwena ucio Roland Mbogo na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arutani Joe Mugai thukuru-ini cia muthingi mwena wa Thika ni manyitite mbaru mubango ucio na oho kuria macifu hamwe na anini yao uteithiriria arutwo acio kuona mieke ya githoma.
Village elders to mop out their sub locations to ensure that any child who did class 8 is not left behind. It's going to be a criminal matter. The children's officer is also privy to this and we have agreed that we work together.
Aciari nao ni moritio matigietikirie gwitio kana kuheana mbeca ciothe cia mahaki kuri arutani anene ya thukuru cia secondary niguo kuona ciana ciao igietekirio kuingira irathi-ini cia form 1. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.